edition of Second Grade News. Today is Monday, August 31st, 2020. Can you believe that today is the last day of August already? I cannot. This month has absolutely flown by, and I can't wait to see what September brings us. Now, please join me as we say our Pledge of Allegiance led by Raymond.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all.
This week, we will be doing a lot of exciting things in reading. We will be beginning our first author study, and we will be looking at the author Kevin Henkes. We will also be looking at compound words and nouns, as well as learn how to describe characters and give a summary of a story. In phonics, our skill will be the CK, making the K sound. In math, we will be reviewing place value in the tens and the ones, and today we will practice skip counting by ones, fives, tens, and hundreds, all the way to 1,000. The rest of the week we will be reviewing, and on Friday we will take a math test. Now, it is time for calendar. Have a great day, guys. I will see you in small groups. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and get started with calendar for today. We're going to start by singing our Days of the Week song to get us ready for today's date. Here we go. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Very good. All right, so we need to change our tab. If we remember, we had a weekend since the last time we met. So, yesterday was Sunday because we saw Saturday, and then yesterday was Sunday. So if yesterday was Sunday, then that means today is Monday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Very good. All right, so today is Monday, and our month is August. Let's spell it. A-U-G-U-S-T. August. Very good. All right. So, we just said our month of the year, which means we got to get up and get moving and do our Macarena month. So, here we go. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Great job. All right. Now, we also are going to finish out August. We need to draw 3 shapes today. So go ahead and pause your video, and you're going to draw your 3 shapes that go on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So we're going to have to think about it. What shapes come next? Go ahead and pause your video, draw your shapes, and then come back and join me and see if you were right. All right, so your 3 mystery shapes should have been a purple square for Saturday, a blue rectangle for Sunday, and a purple square to finish us out on this Monday morning. All right, so let's say today's date. Today is Monday, August 31st, 2020. Very good, so we'll have to switch those calendars out tomorrow. But for today, we're still in August. All right, now we have been in school. Uh-oh, my black marker, let me get it real quick. All right, so we need to add our next number to our hundreds chart. If our pattern continues, we know we're counting by ones when we go across the row. So we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And we know that this has a 6 in the ones place and this has a 6 in the ones place. So we'll keep our eye out on those patterns. All right. We're going to go ahead and add a ones cube to our hundreds, tens, and ones page. So color in another ones cube, which gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. All right, so if we have 1 10 rod and 6 ones cubes, I know that that number is 16. Very good. Today, we're going to add another penny to our pocket chart. All right, so here we go. Penny, penny, easily spent. Coppery, brown, and worth 1 cent. Okay, so our penny goes in our pocket. So in your sheet protector, you should have a dime, you should have a nickel, and you should have a penny. Okay, so let's look at those 3 coins. Do we have enough of any of those coins to make a trade? No, we do not, because we have one that's worth 10, one that's worth 5, and one that's worth 1. So let's count. We're going to skip count. We start with 10 for our dime because it's the coin that has the most value in our pocket. So we say 10, and then we're going to count by 5s because we moved up here. So if we had 10, and then we're counting by 5s, we know this would be 15. Okay, so here we go. 10, 15 plus 1 equals 16 cents. Or we could say we have $0 and 16 cents for today. Okay, we're going to add a minute around our clock. So we're just keeping on moving steadily around our clock. Here we go. We're going to color in to one more of those little tick marks. And now we should have, we can count by 5s, right? 5, 10, 15, and then we have to count by 1s because there's no more. 16. So our hour would be 1:16. We're keeping on moving. All right. Remember, we have started practicing counting by 5s and by 10s. So we're getting that skip counting in. So here we go. Let's look at our yellow line, and we're going to skip count by 10s. Or 5s. We're skip counting by 5s. Here we go. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Very good. All right. Remember, we talked about that pattern that we see, which is it ends with a 5 and a 0 in the ones column, and it flips back and forth each time. Okay? Now let's look at our blue counting strip, which means we're going to count by 10s. So here we go. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. Now when we count by 10s, the number in the 10s or in the ones place stays the same. Do you see that there's a 0 in the ones place the whole time? The only digit that's changing is the digit in the 10s place. Okay? So let's practice. We're going to use our pattern of the day, and we're going to count by 5s again today, and we're going to start at 45. Is that what we started at yesterday? That's what we started at yesterday. Let's start at 20 today. So we are going to count by 5s, and we're going to start at 20. So go ahead and put 20 right here. And then you're going to pause your video. You're going to count by 5s starting at 20, all right? And then come back and see if you got them correct. So here we go. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Very good. All right, so when we count by 5, starting at 20, we end at the number 65. All right, good job, guys. I will see you for reading groups in just a little bit.